Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Kesang and this is my archive vlogs from when I was working with Indigo and based out of Bangalore. So यो दिन चाहिँ म एकदमै बिहानै चाहिँ एयरपोर्ट स्ट्यान्ड बाई गर्नु जाँदै थिएँ. बिहान भन्नाले चाहिँ अब राति हो क्या, बेङ्गलोरको बिहान चाहिँ राति हो नि त. यो चाहिँ बेङ्गलोर बेस्ड फुलले बुझ्छ. सो यो चाहिँ मेरो एयरपोर्ट स्ट्यान्ड बाई थियो. 8 घन्टा लामो एयरपोर्ट स्ट्यान्ड बाई होइन. द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज हाम्रो लागि सुत्ने सोफा राखिदिएको थियो त्यहाँनिर क्या. सो यहाँनिर चाहिँ म कफी खाँदै पल्टिरहेको थिएँ होइन. अब किनभने घर घर सुत्नु पनि भएन, किनभने इफ तपाईँ पुल आउट भयो भने यु हेभ टु गो एन्ड अपरेट अ फ्लाइट. सो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि आधी कल्चो निन्द्रामा हुन्छ नि, अब कफी खाँदै ढकिँदै बसिरहेको थिएँ यो. र थ्याङ्कफुली त्यो दिन चाहिँ मेरो स्ट्यान्ड बाई चाहिँ मेन्टेन भयो क्या. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि हल्का नक्कल पार्दै यो चाहिँ हाम्रो वासरुममा होइन. सो यो चाहिँ हाम्रो ओओटिडी अथवा ग्रुमिङ चेक गर्ने जग्गा थियो बिफोर वी गट इन टु द बेस. बेङ्गलोरमा म मेन टाउनमा चाहिँ बस्दैन, तर अलिकति नजिकै बस्थेँ मेन टाउनभन्दा. र मलाई एयरपोर्ट र घरको कम्युट चाहिँ 45 मिनट्स लाग्थ्यो क्या. सो घर पुग्ने बित्तिकै म चाहिँ एकदम सिकिस्त सुत्दिन्थेँ. Let's do a quick blanket haul. Bye. Which one is your favorite ramen? Mine is the jajang one, but Blinkit doesn't have jajang, so I opted for this one. I wanted to try mango ice cream, so I got this one as well. Some eggs, Coca-Cola, Cadbury Silk, some tomatoes, Maggi pasta in the flavor mushroom penne. I like it. Carnivore salamis. This is the chicken salamis. One coffee, some onions, milk, and some French beans. From when you enter towards the left, I have my bedroom. My bed is on the floor. I have a small basket to keep things like lotion and gender balm and stuff, and very simple, nothing for decorations. I have a teeny tiny balcony here, barely enough for a person to stand, and this is the view. Here I have my wardrobes. I have my so my kapras are here. This side I have my bags and shoes. Here I have my makeup and stuff. I have some accessories there. I have some jewelries and stuff here. Got some shoes there. And this is my bathroom. Although I don't use it because it doesn't have a geyser, so I usually use the bathroom just see. And this is the living room. Packing up the stuff already. Oh my god, mess. Decided to do some journaling and some hisab kitab budgeting for the month. And this is my tiny little corner. I love how it looks with the lights. I just hate this basin here. Yeah, if the basin was not here, this would have been a perfect corner for the zen, you know. It would be like the zen corner.